Hi friends, myself D.K. Narale, working as an assistant professor, Gopal Krishna Gokhale College, Kolhapur. Today we will discuss about the BSc first semester first chemistry paper number 1 inorganic chemistry. Unit number 3 chemical bonding and molecular structure. In this topic totals 3 points. First point is ionic bonds. Second is B valence bond theory, and third is molecular orbital diagrams. Content of this topic: Lewis theory, octet rule, exception to octet rule. Second point is valence bond theory, concept of hybridization, definition, different type of hybridization, geometry of the following molecules, linear geometry, example BeCl2 sp hybridization, planar trigonal geometry BF3 sp2 hybridization, tetragonal geometry SiCl4 or CH4 sp3 hybridization, trigonal bipyramidal geometry PCl5 sp3d hybridization, octahedral geometry SF6 sp3d2 hybridization, and last pentagonal bipyramidal geometry IF7 sp3d3 hybridization. Before introduction, the force of attraction between two species is known as bond. Chemical bond: the force of attraction between two chemical species is known as a chemical bond. Types of bonds: first, ionic bond. It is the force of attraction between oppositely charged ions. Covalent bond: it is bond formed between sharing electron pair of molecules or ions. Coordinate bond: share pair electron between only one atoms. Metallic: force of attraction between metals. Hydrogen bond: van der Waals forces, and these are the examples of the bond formation. Share the electron by two atoms, same atom or different atoms. Octet Lewis theory, octet rule. In 1916, J.N. Lewis proposed that atoms combine in order to achieve more stable electron configuration. He proposed a rule which is as follows. Ionic bond formation: ionic bond is formed by loss or gain of electron to have 8 electrons in outer shell. First, atom of electropositive atoms lose electron to achieve noble gas electronic configuration. Example: sodium lose 1 electron to it contain 2 8 electronic configuration. Mg as similar 2 electron lose, and aluminum 3 electron lose. Atom of electronegative atom gain or accept electron to achieve noble gas electronic configuration, that is halogens. Fluorine gain 1 electrons, chlorine 1 electrons. To combine this positive metal with positive molecules with negative ions to form a ionic bond. Covalent bond is formed sharing of electron to have 8 electron in outer shell. Coordinate bond is formed by accepting lone pair of electron by sharing electron deficient atom in compound from donor species. Example: octet rule. This is a small car. It contains space. This space means total overall objects are in. There is no space in the small car. That is, the complete space is completed. That's why no enter the other object in the small car. Limitation of octet rule. Octet rule cannot explain metallic bond. Examples: metal force of attraction between metal, there is no bond. Octet rule cannot explain formation of all odd electron molecules. Example: O3 NO molecules, etc. Third, oxidation state of transition elements are variable and they cannot obey octet rule. Fourth, stability of compound with more than 8 electron in valence shell is also not explained. SF6 and IF7. Valence bond theory, Hitler-London theory. Silent feature and characteristic of this theory: equivalent bond is formed pairing of one electron from each species. Second, 2 electrons should have opposite spin. Third, atomic orbitals should have comparable energy. All molecules have same energy at the time of the formation of bond. Electron density shared maximum between combining atoms. Fifth point, during bonding, neutralization of spin takes place. Limitations of this theory fails to explain overlapping of atomic orbitals, directional character of covalent bonds, formation of multiple bonds, formation of odd electron molecules, formation of coordinate bond, geometry of the compound. All these fails to this theory. Pauli-Slater's theory. Assumption of this theory: atomic orbitals containing bonding electron will overlap. Overlapping atomic orbitals should have same symmetry. Strength of bond is directly proportional to overlaps of atomic orbital. Limitation of this theory: as similar to Hitler-London theory, this theory failed to explain formation of coordinate bond, geometry, bond angle, valency. Third, formation of odd electron molecules. Fourth, bonding in metals. Fifth, bonding in electron deficient molecules. Concept of hybridization. Hybridization means the phenomena of mixing and recasting or reforming of the atomic orbitals which are having comparable or same energy of an isolated gaseous atom is known as a hybridization. Steps in the hybridization: excitation, molecule central metal atom get absorb energy to excite to form a comparable or same energy molecules. Then mixing and recasting of atomic orbital. That mixing and reforming of atomic orbital, that time same energy orbitals overlaps with other elements to form a bond. Last step is bond formations. Examples: 1s orbitals overlap plus 3p orbitals. To combine these form 4sp3 orbitals. At that combination, shape of orbitals are totally changed. These are the geometry to form 4sp hybrid orbitals to form a tetrahedral geometries. We will discuss next videos, next points after this lecture. Thank you for watching or listening.